Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the city of Manchester on a very nice laid-back afternoon. So it's quite a good day to be taking a nice leisurely walk around the city of Manchester, and let's see what we find. And on this video we're going to be walking randomly, exploring. Well, not exploring, just walking to see what we find. At the moment we're at the Manchester Central train station. I've just done an open top bus tour around the city of Manchester. So if you want to see what that's like, just scroll down through my channel and enjoy the tour with me. So Manchester over the last few years has seen a big boom of new apartments like this one here. And these apartments, they seem to be everywhere. And of course they're not for an average person. They're quite pricey. Expensive apartments. And most of them have been bought by people that want to do some investments and renting them out to the working class in Manchester. I must say I've never been to this part of Manchester. Been all around all the other busy areas, and this part, it looks nice around here. And what we're looking at, the Great Northern Railway Company goods warehouse. Got some great art there. Alright guys, if you've not subscribed, this is the best time to press that subscribe button. And within the next few days we'll be going to Africa. We're gonna fly to South Africa. We'll be going to Zimbabwe and Botswana. So stick around and enjoy me while we explore the motherland.
Exactly. They add this other layer.
I don't know where I am now. I'm trying to find the way to where I left my car. If we go this way, then we'll go up again. I think I know where I am.
Hey, very nice to imagine me. I don't know, it's a bit nicer than that. But, let's put all the garden down.
Let's go this way. Looks like there's a few tents dotted around there. Manchester. I've never seen anything like this in Manchester. There's a few tents here dotted along the line. Don't know what's going on. Wow. That's something new. That looks like a cathedral. guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also press the like button. Where am I? Okay, I think I know where I am. Near the car park. I think what we'll do is we'll walk this way and through Chinatown. Seems to be a lot of fire engines around Manchester today. I think we'll go up here. There's a few people that slip rough here in the city of Manchester. Somebody left his hat there, and you can smell the urine they've been using as a toilet, obviously. Not good at all. Anyways, Salibonani, Linjani, Nyalal. Mandevele is a bit sketchy. Anyway, welcome to my channel. Now, kalau bugela ama video ami, bengela, press the button to subscribe. When the looting like upload my videos. Over in a few weeks' time, since I was here in South Africa, last
The glass. Like that's how they do in the society. So even like
last Zimbabwe. Been the jealousy here, Botswana. So now I'm going to press the subscribe button. Alright, where am I? I'll go this way, because if I go the other way, I'll be drifting off. So anyways, I was speaking my native language, which is in the valley. I was just it was just a call of action to some new subscribers.
Yeah. In the building. Yeah.
Right, where am I? Fire engines again. Loads of fires in Manchester today. Alright, I don't know where I am. Well, let's just walk past these fire engines. Let's see what's what. Could be a fire nearby. No, can't smell any fire. Oh, the bus is stopped because the fire engine is blocking the way. We'll have to wait. Ah, there's a fire here. Can't smell the fire. Well, everybody's been told to evacuate the building. All the shops outside. I can smell something burning. It's a steak restaurant. Somebody maybe forgot to check the steak. That's why everybody's out of the building.
Well, obviously, yeah, it's just at this point right now. Yeah, no worries then. Come on then, let's
If you enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe once again. And if you do watch the adverts, can you please, I know it's annoying, just watch through the adverts. That way we get a few pennies to keep this channel going. And with those pennies, it funds trips like this one. And the more we grow the channel, the further we'll travel, and I promise I'll try and do my best to give you the best content. Let's go through Chinatown. If I walk past Chinatown, it's still there. Or I've missed it. It's cloudy, but it's very warm today. Yes, Piccadilly, Chinatown. This is Chinatown. It's only a small section. It's not massive. More fire engines. Like I said, there's a lot of fires in Manchester. Yeah, this is a bit of Chinatown. That's the entrance there.
Eventually, once I'm cleared from
Can smell some good food. I'm already starving. Oh, we sell chicken feet. That's over there. If you want chicken feet, you come to that place over there.
This channel is friendly, but
Right guys, thank you so much for joining me on this short walking tour of the city of Manchester. If you like my content, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. I'll definitely catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.